Number 1. 1996 Nissan King Cab. Price $5,400. The truck has 150,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, powered by a gasoline engine. It comes in red with a tan interior, has had 3 owners, and holds a clean title. The truck runs and drives great, with maintenance consistently kept up and documented since the early 2000s. The interior remains in very good condition. Upgrades include 3-inch lowering blocks, 15x8 aluminum wheels with 225/50 or 15 Como Extra tires, an upgraded sound system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 12-inch subwoofer, a Viper alarm system, and power door locks. Cosmetically, there is some clear coat peeling on the roof, and the AC needs a recharge. Overall, it is a solid and well-maintained pickup with tasteful modifications. Number 2. 2000 Chevrolet 1500. Price $10,000. Showing just 73,000 miles. Powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this gasoline truck runs and drives great with no known issues, making it a solid and reliable choice for daily use or light-duty work. Finished in gray with a clean black cloth interior, the truck offers a comfortable and practical cabin. It comes equipped with manual windows and manual door locks, a tilt steering wheel, and cruise control for added driving convenience. The interior also features an AM/FM radio for entertainment. Sitting on a brand new set of Michelin tires, this Chevrolet 1500 delivers both confidence and comfort on the road. Overall, it is a dependable, straightforward pickup with low mileage and a strong reputation for reliability. Number 3. 1997 Ford F150. Price $7,500. Comes with 101,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. Finished in red with a gasoline engine, this truck runs great and shifts smoothly, with everything functioning as it should. It holds a clean title. The clutch was replaced at 80,000 miles, and all maintenance is fully up to date. Within the last 10,000 miles, all fluids have been replaced, and the truck has no leaks, reflecting careful ownership. It has also been upgraded with Bilstein shocks for improved ride quality, along with an upgraded radio system featuring Apple CarPlay and new speakers for a modern driving experience. On the downside, there is some cosmetic damage, and the suspension produces a slight squeaking noise. Number 4. 1996 Toyota Tacoma. Price $8,500. Comes with 157,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. This particular 1996 Toyota Tacoma 2.4L 5-speed manual is a well-maintained, second-owner truck that has been cared for over the years. The body is clean and was professionally repainted approximately 7 years ago, maintaining its sharp appearance. At 155,000 miles, it received new belts, a new clutch slave cylinder, and fresh transmission fluid, ensuring continued dependable performance. Additional features include a CD stereo with Bluetooth capability, a bed liner for added cargo protection, and 2 sets of wheels and tires. It currently sits on studded tires, providing extra traction when needed. Number 5. 1995 Nissan King Cab. Price $4,000. Powered by a V6 engine with an automatic transmission and 330,000 miles. Finished in blue and running on gasoline, it runs and drives well, though it is not built for speed. The truck features a limited slip rear differential, working AC and heat, and tires with plenty of tread and no dry rot. The rims are in decent shape with some corrosion being cleaned up. There is one rust hole on the driver's side kicker panel and a crack on the passenger side of the windshield. Recent maintenance includes an oil change, NGK iridium spark plugs, new cap and rotor with NGK wires, a new fuel pump, receipt available, rebuilt rear drum brakes, and a new carrier bearing. Overall, it is a solid running and well-maintained 4x4 truck. Number 6. 1989 Dodge D250. Price $10,000. Solid and dependable classic diesel pickup finished in red with a matching red interior. It is powered by the legendary 5.9L Cummins diesel engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck has 183,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives well. It has been well maintained and recently updated with 4 new shocks, new front springs, new brakes and rotors, a new BrakeMaster cylinder, and a new fuel filter. Performance upgrades include a K&N air filter and a RAM intake system. The truck also features new LED headlights, and the tires still have good tread remaining. Overall, this D250 offers classic Dodge styling, reliable diesel performance, and practical upgrades, making it a strong candidate for work or everyday driving. Number 7. 1993 Ford F250, price $8,000. Powered by the reliable 7.3 LIDI diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 233,000 miles. Finished in red with a gray interior, this heavy-duty truck has received recent maintenance, including all new fluids and filters, new front and rear brakes, and a recently upgraded starter. It sits on 20 by 12 fuel wheels wrapped in 35 by 13.50 mud-terrain tires, giving it an aggressive stance. Lighting upgrades include black housing LED headlights with switchback DRLs, smoke sequential LED taillights, front and rear sequential turn signals, a 14-inch LED light bar, and a 16-pod rock light kit. Interior updates feature blue dash lighting, a new stereo, and new door speakers. A 6-inch drop hitch is also installed, and the original OEM lights are included. The truck shifts hard into second gear but drives smoothly once up to speed. Number 8. 1973 Chevrolet Silverado. Price $7,500. Equipped with a strong small block 350 engine paired to an automatic transmission. It features a newer front clip, giving the truck a refreshed front-end appearance while maintaining its vintage character. The engine runs well, and the truck drives, making it a solid and dependable starting point for restoration or light customization. This Silverado has also been updated with a new exhaust system, enhancing both performance and sound, and it rides on new tires that were purchased last year, adding to its road readiness. Described as a solid little truck, it presents itself as a worthwhile project with plenty of potential for someone looking to bring a classic Chevy back to its full glory. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand. Number 9. 1994 Chevrolet Silverado. Price $3,600. Equipped with a reliable 350 V8 engine and showing 205,000 miles. It starts easily, runs great, and delivers the kind of solid performance these trucks are known for. The body is in good condition for its age, with straight panels and a solid appearance. The paint does show some peeling, which is a common issue for many trucks from this era, but it does not take away from the truck's overall presence. Inside, the interior is described as excellent, well-kept, and clean, making it a comfortable place to drive. The tires are in good shape, and the spare tire is also in good condition, adding extra peace of mind. It also comes equipped with a CD player/radio for everyday convenience. The only known mechanical issue is that the brake lights are currently not functioning. Number 10. 1994 Ford F150. Price $4,500. Equipped with a durable 300 inline-six engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a classic and reliable driving experience. This 4x4 truck has 175,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. Finished in red with a gray interior, it presents a clean and well-maintained appearance inside and out. The motor has been regularly serviced, with recent maintenance including a fresh oil and filter change, along with new fuel and air filters. It rides on brand new KO3 tires and has received several updates such as new carpet, a new seat cover, new headlights and bulbs, and a new rear bumper. Overall, this is a well-kept and dependable truck that delivers both practicality and classic Ford performance.